Chapter 1 The Gathering Storm. As a chilling wind swept through the magical kingdom of Eldoria, Ribot Froggie perched atop a moss-covered rock near the tranquil pond where he had once washed ashore. The peace he had fought so hard to restore was now threatened by a looming darkness that seemed to seep into every corner of the realm. Ribot's instinct, honed by past adventures, told him that trouble was brewing. Word of Ribot's return and his previous triumphs had reached the Council of Elders, a venerable group of wise and powerful creatures who governed Eldoria. One by one, the elders emerged from the shadowy depths of the ancient forest to seek Ribot's aid. Their faces bore expressions of grave concern. Ribot hopped down from the rock and approached the council. His embarked eyes reflected both curiosity and a sense of duty. "Why have you summoned me, esteemed elders?" he asked, his voice steady despite the unworrying past of his heart. Melis, the eldest and wisest of the council, spoke with a voice that echoed through the surrounding trees. "Ribot Froggie, your presence is needed once more. A new threat has emerged, led by an enigmatic sorceress named Marana. She seeks to conquer our kingdom and claim the power of the enchanted crown for herself." Ribot's heart sank at the mention of the enchanted crown, a relic of immense power that had brought both hope and chaos to Eldoria. He knew all too well the consequences of such a powerful artifact falling into the wrong hands. Determination welled up within him, replacing any lingering doubts or fears. "I will not let Morana succeed," Ribot declared, his voice infused with unwavering resolve. "I will do whatever it takes to protect Eldoria and its inhabitants." The council nodded approvingly, their eyes simmering with a mixture of gratitude and concern. Melis stepped forward, his weathered face displaying a rare hint of emotion. "We have faith in our abilities, Ribot Froggie, but beware, for Morona is cunning and has amassed a formidable force. You cannot face her alone." Ribot pondered the council's words, realizing that he would need allies in his fight. He thought of Soren, the skilled warrior whose magical sword could fend off the forces of darkness. Soren's loyalty and bravery had proven invaluable in their previous adventures. Ribot knew he would be a crucial asset to his in the new battle. "I have an ally in mind," Ribot said with a determined nod. "I will seek out Soren, the warrior guardian. Together we will assemble a team to confront Morana and put an end to her nefarious plans." The Council of Elders offered their blessings and guidance, urging Ribot to help heed the call of destiny. As Ribot left the council chamber, the weight of the task ahead settled upon his shoulders, yet a glimmer of hope burned within him. Knowing that his resolve and the bonds he would forge would be the kingdom's strongest defense against the gathering storm. With renewed purpose, Ribot leaped into the moonlight night, his journey to find Soren and rally the forces beginning in earnest. The fate of Eldoria hung in the balance, and Ribot Froggie was determined to face the shadows head-on, armed with the courage and the unwavering belief that the power of unity and goodness would prevail.